Autumn was her birthday present. Here was Mr. Coates working with Haley.
Next step is to do 3 times 6. What's 3 times 6?
Here's Hannah singing Swing Low, Sweet Chariot.
Swing low, sweet chariot, carry me home. Swing low.
Dylan's Happy Dance. Here was Riley, Louise, Taylor, Drew, and Lydia doing a play.
Looked out the window, and there he saw a giant. That's what happened to a little girl named Sophie. There across the street was a giant with a long, thin trumpet and a large stick. Then the giant saw Sophie. Sophie jumped back into bed under the covers, but the giant reached through the window and grabbed her. Now, grab her. Ow! Then he ran all night until they reached his enormous cave in a giant country. Now, what has us got here?
Sydney's birthday.
Happy birthday!